Get ready to revolutionize your garden maintenance with the Mammotion Luba 2 AWD, an all-terrain robotic lawn mower that redefines the standards in its market. With its outstanding performance, bold design, and impressive technical capabilities, this technological gem could well become your best ally for an impeccable lawn. Effortlessly designed to tackle the most complex terrain, it is powerful, intelligent, and easy to use. Find the product link in the description to discover all its details and take advantage of exclusive offers. The Luba 2 AWD stands out with its race car-inspired design, featuring a Formula 1 wing-like bumper and all-wheel drive. Its wide rear wheels ensure traction on wet or uneven terrain, while pivoting front wheels allow agile, tight turns. Built with durable plastic, Mammotion's rugged design is perfect for tough conditions. Its swivel front wheels make it easy to make tight turns and allow it to move with surprising agility. On the construction side, Mammotion has chosen durable plastic and a rugged design, perfect for tackling tough conditions. With a clearly visible stop button, this robotic mower is both stylish and practical. This robotic mower combines aesthetics and functionality. Its camera module on top further enhances its techy and modern look. The A2 AWD is equipped with advanced navigation thanks to RTK GNSS technology, offering centimeter-level accuracy without the need for perimeter wires. This feature clearly sets it apart from competing models that still require complex installations. With the ability to create up to 30 different mowing zones, it's adaptable to your needs. It's suitable for both large gardens and spaces with complex layouts. Its 40 centimeters cutting width and 8 blades ensure a fast, even, and precise mow, even on tall or wet grass. With a maximum gradient of and a runtime of 180 minutes, it excels on steep or uneven terrain. Its pulling power allows it to climb slopes that few robots can reach. For optimal connectivity, it includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even 4G for remote control via its mobile app. And finally, thanks to its IPX6 certification, it can withstand heavy rain and can be cleaned with water, making maintenance a breeze. Setting up the Luba 2 is a piece of cake. Attach the camera, plug the RTK antenna onto its pole or a wall, and connect everything to the Mammotion app. This robot maps your garden quickly. It's easy to set up, adjust settings from the app. This quick and intuitive commissioning makes it accessible to everyone, even those with less DIY skills. Once it's set up, you can adjust a bunch of settings right from the app. Cutting height, speed, or even mowing pattern, you can create prohibited or priority zones. And you can even customize each zone with specific settings. The app also provides a live view of the robot's progress, allowing you to track its path in real time. While waiting, the Luba 2 adjusts its movements to avoid obstacles using its camera and advanced sensors. It handles edges perfectly and leaves a lawn looking pristine, with a pattern worthy of a soccer field. If you want to play the high-tech gardener, you can even manually control the robot through your smartphone, even thousands of miles away, thanks to its 4G connection. Compared to its competitors, like the Husqvarna Automower or the Segway Navy Mow, the Luba 2 AWD stands out because it doesn't require perimeter wires. Its precise navigation and exceptional slope management. Unlike the Works, the Android is limited in terms of area and capacity. The Luba 2 excels on complex terrains with its drive wheels and detection system. It offers versatility and robustness compared to other models. And its RTK GNSS system suits complex gardens. It is customizable for users. Its RTK GNSS navigation system places it ahead for complex gardens. Its ability to customize every aspect of mowing makes it perfect for the most demanding users. With the Mammotion Luba 2, say goodbye to mowing chores under the blazing sun. All-terrain combines innovation, power, and precision to provide a complete solution for those who love a pristine garden. Its ability to navigate difficult terrain, customize its settings, and work autonomously. In fact, it's a smart investment for anyone looking for quality and peace of mind. So, ready to transform your lawn? Find all the details in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. And before you go, be sure to leave a comment to share your thoughts. Don't forget to like the video and, of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Ciao ciao.